low. My niggas, we doing the most. Grams on the table, yeah, I been gone. At the base and shorty, she trumping it over. Keep steady, I told him I'm on one. Why you tryna make me be the bad guy? Why? Telling people that this shit was dead.
So guys, so currently dito na ako sa airport and papunta na ako ng Manila. So punta tayo ng Manila today and mag-stay ako din for a month. So galing ako ng Jensen, Food Province, and babalik ako ng Manila to meet my entrepreneur friends. So medyo maraming events ngayon and medyo excited ako pumunta din sa Manila to meet those people. Sila Ellie, yung mga friends ko from Walk Plating Agency, Content Creation, and marami pa. So, medyo late ako ngayon, nakarating dito sa airport. Ano na, 8 a.m. Yung nagising ako kanina, dapat supposedly gising ng 5 a.m. Pero nagising ako ng dito sa 7. So, di na ako naligo.
For other destinations, kindly approach any of your cabin crew.
Yan ako sa CR ng aeroplano. So it's a 2-hour flight to Manila. And currently, kaka-take off lang ng aeroplano. So nag-start yung flight around 9 a.m. Then makakarating kami around 11. Dito na ako sa Manila. Sasakay na lang ako ng motor siguro. Sasakay na lang siguro ako ng angkas papunta ng Cubao. Tapos doon ako sasakay ng bus papunta sa Antipolo. So touchdown na sa Manila. Punta na lang ako ng bahay. Uwi na lang ako. Yung flight okay lang. Medyo nasusuka lang ako. Ewan ko bakit. Kasi wala pa akong kain. Kape lang yung kanain ko tapos snack kanina. But medyo nasusuka ako. Pero kakain lang ako pagdating ko ng Cubao. Nakakita ako ng Chowking. So, kain muna ako. Mag-shomai lang ako. Tapos chow fan. Tapos wonton. Gutom na ako. Tama na si Clyde. Gusto kami mag-gym. Trabaho kami ngayon. Sama ko si Clyde, GHL Gods. Papaturo din tayo ng GHL. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is work ko. Tapos mag-aaral din ako GHL. So, mag-stay kami dito mga until 7. Tapos uwi na. So, trabaho muna kami. Ano? Tapos, na board lang.
20, 26. Again, we are all excited about this sa community, ang monthly subscription.
I want to be a...
Ay, meron mga nasa ilalim ng mga plastic na upuan. Sa plastic na upuan. Boom! Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ay, hindi nyo
You need to go to Station B.
Sabihin niyo po pag ready na kayo.
Ready na sila.
Game. Cup namin. One hand lang ha.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Rep. Ba't pa ba ng pababa?
Taas-taas nyo na konti.
Kabilang group.
Okay, okay, okay.
Pwede namang ipitin, no? Ipitin
Nice,
lang,
nice.
para hindi
Nice guys. You're doing good, you're doing good. Oh, Bob! Ay, next.
Wait lang.
Next.
Palusog po.
Next. Uy! Okay, okay.
Ingat sa may nakaharang ha.
Wait lang.
Excuse me. Next, dito agad.
Kami nakaharang. Kasi baka mahulog, boss. Sige po kayo sa kabila. Kabila po kayo. Sige po, mahulog po. Paalalayan din ng isa para tuloy-tuloy na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Nandun lang. Oh, mag-shoot?
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
All good.
Nakapikit ka sa isa.
Oh.
Nakapikit tapos.
On to the next station. Tapos na namin 3. Let's go.
Ganito ko, nasa school pa ako.
Locked in kami, locked in.
Pinalala ko kay special dito eh.
Sige. Sana may malaglag, hindi yung bola. Ilakay ng scrap.
Send the file, siya yung di ba yung criminal? How did they do?
Pag ano?
Novosphere.
Gets?
Yung Novosphere, siya yung receiver. Yung owner, nagla-live siya sa webinar. Yung video editor, nag-upload siya ng video. Yung project manager, nasa Zoom meeting siya. Yung moderator, offline siya. So guys, natapos na namin yung mission. So basically, team building to. Andito sa event nila Kaden. And ang task namin is isolve yung mystery. So, it took us ilang minutes yun. And tapos na namin siya. So ito yung time namin, 37. 37. Namin guys. So guys, tapos na kami kumain and then may speakership na may mga magsasalita about certain topics like personal branding, sales, clipping, and audience lang tayo. Nakikinig lang tayo. Tapos sama ko dito yung mga clippers. Tapos si Clyde. So audience lang tayo ngayon. Tapos kanina na-meet ko si Jay-Z. Kaso kailangan niya na umuwi. Kaya bukas magmi-meet pa kami Pupunta pa kami ng, ng
Guys, while you were
penthouse.
talking, okay, after the first
So may clipping competition. I-clip nila yung videos na ginawa namin kanina dun sa mystery solving game. And yeah, tingnan namin kung ano yung kakalabasan ng mga pinaggagawa namin kanina.
Special, si JC, si Elijah.
Special
And
mention.
na-inspire ako sa kanila kasi nagagawa nila yung makapag-earn by their own at such a young age. And naisip ko lang nun, di ba? Bakit hindi ko yung kayang gawin?
Encourage everyone to actually start building a personal brand. And essentially, guys, a personal brand isn't to become famous, right? All it really is to show yourself on the virtual landscape. And in actuality, I'm not actually the best, right? But the thing is, I've simply spent thousands of dollars on the information that I know today to get access to the best in the industry.
Hello guys. Wait lang. Have you guys ever heard about high ticket sales before? Yes, sir. Oh, okay. So ano pong mga idea niyo dun dati?
Ano daw yun? Either of the two lang yun. Either B2C or B2B. Kung gusto mo mas nagtuturo sa mas marami, B2C. Guys, it's currently 12:08 AM tapos kakain kami ngayon dito sa Pares Retiro. Yung mga kasama namin sa Viewprint nag-decide na dito kumain. So kakain kami dito. Dito sila.
Ay! Mayanig nga kayo! Mayanig kayo! Isipin mo, Roman general. Nanalo ka lang ng victorious war. Parang nilabot mo yung mga Bisaya. Nanalo ka.
Wala, mali nyo pare. Bibigyan ko yan ng background music na maganda. Magrarant ako, iniwan ako ng mga to.
Lord, maraming po salamat that you gathered us here. Maraming po salamat na binigyan niyo po kami ng guidance and knowledge na ginawa po namin yung mga extraordinary things.
Tutumba ka to. Paabot ko ng water. Water oh! Ano yan? Overload?
Serve naman yun,
Premium?
Kalabang kami ng sushi. 1v1 kami after 7. Para ako. Talo si Sushi.
Anong favorite nga ulit ng pizza? Naalala nyo?
Hawaiian tsaka... May tubig sila dito.
Hawaiian saka...
What's up guys? So, it's the day after ng event sa Viewprint. So, currently nandito kami sa coffee shop sa Antipolo. And naghihintay lang kami ng time. Pwede kami mag-check-in dun sa penthouse na nirent nila. Then, dun na kami didiretso after. So, ngayon, we're working. Ay inaayos lang kami sa sa back ends ng CCL, and then mag-aape and kakain ng lunch. So kasama ko ngayon sila JC, sila Sushi, tapos nandun sila kahit din. Mag-work muna kami. Hindi pa done. Okay na ako dito. Nagawa ko na yung 7 beans tsaka yung margarita.
I just need everyone to close their eyes and think of any positive things inside their minds. I cleanse this space with negativity and welcome in light, peace, and protection. That's it. You may now open your eyes and welcome to Alpaca Lemon.
Thank you po. Let's go! Let's go!
Sarap bro.
Solid. Boy, nibay ko na boy. Nibay ko na sa araw namin. Sponsor. Dati lang ako niyan, dati lang bata niyan dati. Sponsor ako to. Kapit bahay ko lang to.
So currently dito na kami sa penthouse na nirent nila kaya din. So mag-rest lang kami for some time, and then later meron kaming gathering kasama yung ibang agency owners. So yung mga in-invite sila, and then pagkakaroon kami ng dinner, tapos chill na lang. So solid yung penthouse, and welcoming yung staffs. So okay siya.
Eto guys.
Nakakonect yan lahat.
Gusto ko na talaga maging YouTuber. Sa Makati. I'm just like setting the expectation. Hindi ka makakatulog. This guy is making big bucks. What's his name? Adrian is the famous. Daddy's Hope.
What's up, man?
Either we're gonna be leveraging our community to build a clipping agency by starting a agency, so we can leverage the talent pool that we have.
So everything is finished. Nakauwi na kami lahat. Tapos na yung event. So it's a 2-day event na pinunta ko dito sa Manila for sa event nila Kaiden sa Viewprint, and it was fun. Marami ako nakilala and a lot of people I learned from, kila Melvin to the people on the other industries as well, especially when it comes to B2B business, kasi mas nasanay ako na na B2C yung business model na ginagawa namin, especially with CCL, with my affiliate marketing, brand deals, and marami talaga ako natutunan in order to scale past 10K. So those people are making more than 10K, and na-open talaga yung perspective ko na that amount is achievable, especially those people are in my age. So grabe, this was great event and really thankful for all those people. Really blessed sa lahat ng nangyari. And yeah, really blessed. We'll be implementing lahat ng natutunan ko doon, lahat ng bagay na na-learn ko. And yeah, this was a start. So, I've been into this space and I thought na marami na akong alam pero marami pa pala akong hindi alam. And those people sobrang lulupit. Kaya we just need to do it step by step kasi mahirap naman talaga. We just need to do it step by step, especially with the help of a community with those people. Kasi mabubuksan yung mabubuksan yung isip mo na those things are possible talaga. And the fact na nagawa na nila, why can't you? Why can't you do it kung sila nagawa na? So, yeah, really great things happened this week. And I just really happy na na-document ko yung paggaling ko ng probinsya, pagbalik ko dito sa Manila until that event. So, just really happy na na-document ko na siya na yung goal ko before na weekly uploads, I'm trying to show up pa rin into that. So, mas maging consistent pa ako on these uploads and that may ipakita ko sa inyo yung process, yung documentation, yung things na ginagawa ko in order to scale, in order to grow, in order to live the life na I'm called to live. So yeah, that's it in this week. So next week, dadating dito yung girlfriend ko. So I'll be on a vacation. Sama din siya. And still, I still work on the business. And it's only Q2 pa lang ng 2026. Marami pang bagay na pwede mangyari. Marami pang bagay na pwedeng magbago. So, just need to set the goal, work on it relentlessly, and give everything to God. And just follow His plans for us. So, yun din yung na-reflect ko this week na without God, these things are not possible for me. Kasi all those things that happened, siya yung nag-allow na for me to be in those situations, for me to grow in order for me to be there, to be in those situations. And now, andito lang ako sa position na to because I am blessed with God's grace. So, yeah, seek first the kingdom of God and all those things will be added. And I'm just praying na I can steward all those things na binigay sa akin ni Lord and that I can take care of this and work for Him diligently. So yeah, that's basically that's the summary of my week. So yeah, see you next week, guys.